Sheru, wake up! Let's explore today!
Yes! Adventure time!
Where should we go first? Let's follow the sparkly butterflies! Sheru, you'll never catch them! Wow! Look at the water! Race to the other side! Race! Get her! Dang! Leo, these flowers smell so good! Let's pick one each for our moms. Hi, friends! Want to climb with me?
Yes! You can do it, Sheru!
Almost done. Leo, look! That cave is shining!
Wow!
Let's check it out!
Whoa! Magical!
It's like stars inside. They tickle. Someone needs help. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Don't worry, little bird. Almost done. You're safe now. Today's adventure was the best.
Yeah! We're heroes!
Let's come back tomorrow.
Adventure every day. Thanks for joining our jungle adventure.
Bye! Bye! Come on, join the fun!
And make sure to subscribe for more stories.